eclipsed by green peaks. And wrapped in an unrivaled skyline, Hong Kong stretches around Hong Kong Island and spills over onto the Kowloon Peninsula and Lantau Islands, creating one of the world's most dynamic and densely populated urban centers. This city developed as an intersection point between East and West, a hub for innovation and commerce. Since its earliest days, Hong Kong has attracted traders, tourists, and travelers seeking a better life. In 2018, Unicity continues Hong Kong tradition by bringing the Unicity Global Leadership and Innovation Conference to Asia World Expo on January 19th and 20th. Join Unicity leaders from around the world as they converge upon Hong Kong for 2 days of product education and leadership recognition. Visit unicity.com/GLIC to plan your trip and leave your mark in Hong Kong.